Hello. Today we learned about the family vocabulary, and you did a family tree. So father, mother, dad, or mom with O in America, mom. Parents, padre, madre, papa, mamá. Parents, also daddy or mommy, mami, papi, mami. Husband and wife, marido y mujer. Son and daughter, hijo, hija. Children, hijos, más de uno, ¿eh? One child, two children. One child, two children. Brother and sister, hermano, hermana. ¿Ya? Brother and sister, hay una palabra que es siblings para hablar de hermanos en plural. No dos hermanos, sino un hermano y una hermana. Dos hermanas y un hermano, ¿ya? No podemos decir brothers, como en español que decimos hermanos, ¿ya? Brother, sister, brother. Siblings. Grandfather, grandmother, grandparents, abuela, abuela, abuelos. Grandson, granddaughter, grandchildren. Nieto, nieta, nietos. Uncle, aunt, cousin, tío, tía, primo, prima. Nephew, niece, sobrino, sobrina. Father-in-law, mother-in-law, suegro y suegra. Brother-in-law, sister-in-law, cuñado, cuñada. Son-in-law, daughter-in-law, yerno, nuera. We can also, yeah, sister-in-law, okay. Stepfather, stepmother, padrastro, padrastra, stepbrother, stepsister, hermanastro, hermanastra. We can also have stepson, stepdaughter, hijastro, hijastra. There's also another word that is not here. That is godfather and godmother, padrino, madrina, and also great-grandmother, great-grandfather, bisabuelo, bisabuela, great-great-grandfather, tatarabuelo, great-great-grandmother, tatarabuela. Now, I want you to do a family tree. Vull que façau un arbre genealògic, un arbre familiar senzill, d'acord? Així, així, yeah. Així, amb els noms i, per exemple, mother, father, d'acord? Me, mother, father, grandmother, grandfather, aunt, uncle, yeah? With all of this, with the names and everything, yeah? The tree, we did it today, el arbre lo han feito hoy, el árbol lo hemos hecho hoy, por tanto, traedlo para la siguiente clase o hacedlo, ¿ya? And this, actividad número 12, page 22, homework. Okay, estos son deberes. Write the members of the family. My mother's sister is my aunt, etc. Yeah? Okay, that's it. That's all we did. Okay, see you on Friday. Bye.